Hi everyone, welcomes to my channel. Today I am making vegetable cutlets. Let's start the recipe.
First of all, I will boil the potatoes and peel of the skin. I am adding 1 cup of boiled green peas,
1 cup of diced onion, 1 tablespoon diced carrot, 6 finely cut green chilies, freshly chopped coriander, 1 cup of rice flour for binding, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of red chilies, 2 tablespoons of garam masala, 2 tablespoons of cumin seeds.
I added 1 more teaspoon of garam masala,
2 tablespoons of dry mango powder, 2 tablespoons of crushed fenugreek leaves, 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder,
1 tablespoon of salt.
You can adjust the spices according to your taste bud. Now mix well until it comes together, and if you can make ball in your hands, it means it's ready for the next step. Now you to make flour paste to coat the cutlets. The consistency of the paste should be right, not too thick or too liquid. Now add crushed black pepper and mix well. Now I am going to shape cutlets with the help of falafel maker. You need to apply a bit of oil before having the mixture into the mold to make sure it will not stick. You can use any mold of your choice. You can make this cutlet in different shapes, even you can make the cutlet shape with the help of hands. You can see how nicely it comes out from the mold. Now I will fold this cutlet in the flour and dust the extra flour. Now I am dipping in the flour paste and lastly coating in the bread crumbs. I am repeating this procedure to make all cutlets. These round cutlets I shaped with my hands, and these turned out perfect. You can shape them as you like. These round shaped cutlets look so yummy. In the next video, I will show you how to fry these cutlets. Till then, stay tuned my channel. If you like my video, please comment, share and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to check out recipes video in the end screen. Hit the bell icon so you can get my videos notification. Thanks for watching. See you next time with the new recipe.